Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Della Tifani Roviah. I'm from a class Reguler Nutrition Department. In this video, I will present about balanced nutrition. Nutrition is the best balance by eating the right amounts of a large variety of foods. Balanced nutrition provides waters, protein, carbohydrate, vitamins, minerals, and fats. There are many symbols of balanced nutrition. The first symbol is a wheel, plate, or circle symbol, suggests a balance of food is desirable. 2. The rainbow symbol suggests emphasizes variety. 3. A pyramid symbol recommends the number of servings from various food groups decrease from a solid foundation at the bottom or the base to the top. And 4. Different symbols suggest different cultures might use different symbols of healthy food intake based on the food available to them. Source of balanced nutrition. The first one is grains. Grains provide mostly carbohydrate as starch. Vegetables. Vegetables provide vitamin, minerals, and fiber. Fruits provide different vitamin, minerals, and fiber. Dairy products provide complete protein and major minerals, particularly calcium. Protein. Complete protein can be provided by meat, chicken, egg, fish, and soybeans. Vegetable oils can provide a balance of essential fatty acid and iodine salt that should be used in all food preparation, even if it costs more to avoid goiters which occurring in my part of the world. The first component is protein. Protein are the building blocks of life and made of chains up to 20 different amino acids. Partially complete protein contains all the essential amino acids, but the amount of the one or more of those essential amino acids is inadequate. Most proteins in a plant group are only partially complete, but can be made complete if combined with another protein. Amino acids are generated by the body or obtained through food. There are 8 essential amino acids that cannot be made by adult bodies and must be eaten. Complete protein contains all the essential amino acids in adequate amounts. Foods with complete protein include meat and animal products such as milk, yogurt, cheese, egg, soybeans protein as in tofu or soy milk. Why protein are more important? 1. That protein can make up tendons and most connective tissue. 2. Help make up collagen and cartilage, which determine the shape of the skeleton. 3. Direct and control the chemical reaction of the life in enzymes. How can babies receive an adequate amount of protein? Breast milk is an ideal source of protein for the first 12 to 24 months of life because it 1. Has a perfect balance of amino acids. 2. Does not cause allergy. 3. Provides all needed nutrition for normal-term infants. The next component is carbohydrate. Most carbohydrates contain atoms from one water molecule for each atom of carbon. A monosaccharide is the basic dietary carbohydrate and has 6 carbons. Examples are glucose, fructose, and galactose. Cellulose is also long chain for polymer of glucose. It is one of several indigestible carbohydrates called fiber. Why carbohydrates are important? The reason is first, provide energy from burn for brain, muscle, and other body function. 2. Combine with proteins or fats to form important parts of cartilage, connective tissue, the nervous system, and the immune system. And 3. Contribute to stool softness and normal bowel function as fiber. Large amounts of some fibers in the bowel can ferment to produce gas. Can eating from drinking certain carbohydrates cause diabetes mellitus to appear early if one is a rich lifestyle? High glycemic index foods increase risks. They include sugary beverage, cornflakes, many bakery items. Low glycemic index food increase risks less. They include pasta, high fiber foods, legumes, oatmeal, milk, yogurt, nuts, peanut butter, and whole fruits. The next component is fats. Fats are mostly made of carbon and hydrogen and do not mix well with water. Most dietary fats, called triglycerides, are made with three fatty acids. Saturated fats provide concentrated energy, tend to be solid, and promote high blood cholesterol. Fatty acids can be saturated or full of hydrogen, monounsaturated, or polyunsaturated depending on how much hydrogen can be added to. The types of fatty acid is tropical oils, the omega-3 fatty acids, soy oil and canola oil, the omega-6 fatty acid, cholesterol and trans fatty acid. Why fats are important? The reason is that fats can cell membranes are layer of fat which form cells, walls, and chamber. Cholesterol performs several functions. 2. Fat is important in insulation. Fat is an efficient way to store energy, and however, excess cholesterol, saturated fats, and trans fat in the diet can increase bad cholesterol in the blood and worsen arteriosclerosis, clogging of the arteries, and associated disease. The, fir- the last component is mineral. Over 200 mg of each micromineral is in a normal daily diet. Electrolytes include sodium, potassium, and chloride. Calcium, the most abundant and mineral in the body. Excellent diet sources include milk, yogurt, cheese, sardines, tofu, soy milk, and canned salmon. Phosphorus combines with calcium to strengthen the skeleton. It participates in numerous chemical reactions in the body. Magnesium. It is important for normal muscle and nerve functions. Keep heart rhythm steady, support a healthy immune system, and keep bones strong. Trace elements for our micro minerals. Irons make up the central part of hemoglobin in red blood cells. It carries life-giving oxygen throughout the body. Insufficiency, iron or copper are two causes of anemia or low red blood cell count. Iodine. Iodine is part of thyroid hormone. It is critical to human health and function. Deficiency leads to goiters or swelling of the thyroid glands, loss of energy, tiredness, and constipation. Mental function slowing down, cognitism, and permanent mental retardation in the child when severe deficiency occurs during pregnancy and infancy. Zinc. Zinc helps in many chemical reactions in the body. Deficiency leads to skin rashes, dermatitis, hair loss, diarrhea, poor wound healing, and decreased immune function, diminished eye taste, smell, and memory, delayed puberty. The next component is vitamins. Vitamins are organic compounds essential to life and health through present in a very small amount. Fat-soluble vitamin, A vitamin, D vitamin, A vitamin, and K vitamins can be stored in the body, can be toxic if consumed in a large amount. Phosphorus. Phosphorus combines with calcium to strengthen the skeleton. It participates in numerous chemical reactions in the body. Water-soluble vitamins, B vitamins, C vitamin, and chlorine. This is the example of vitamin tables. The example is vitamin A, the name is tocopherols or tocotrienols. Source from almonds, sunflower seeds, sunflower oil, peanuts, hazelnut, and corn oil. Deficiency effect is deficiency is rare. It usually appears as nerve problems in hand and feet, but also as anemia in premature infants. The next component is water. How much water does the human body need? About 60% of the body is water. Virtually all body functions depend on it. Daily fluid needs can more than double due to higher elevation, higher temperature, lower humidity, more exercise, and warm clothing. The best beverage choice is safe water or, in specific cases when salt loads are high such as with heavy sweating, a high-quality sport beverage. What happens if a person does not get enough water? Dehydration or weak reduction to net water loss can cause significant problems. Reduced physical and mental function can begin to occur after only 1 until 2% water loss. Other symptoms include headache, dry eyes, irritability, and sleepiness. Muscle cramps and salt loss often occur impairment, weakness, as dehydration increases. Infant nutrition. The protein from mother's milk is an ideal blend of essential and non-essential amino acids, generally does not cause allergies, include antibodies which may provide some protection against cramp found in the environment of the mother and infant. The carbohydrate or lactose from mother's milk are readily digestible by virtually all newborn infants, provide a natural laxative function. Minerals and vitamins are readily digestible and generally sufficient with modest exposure to sunlight to produce some vitamin D. The fat provides infants with essential fatty acids, energy to meet rapid growth needs. Ya, thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.